Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jeremy with JBaker Style, where we help the average man build an above average style. Today guys, I'm excited because we're unboxing my Stitch Fit. Finally came in. I've been talking about it recently on a couple of posts. You can actually check the link in the description to see if it's something you want to get into. I'm pretty good at matching my own things in the store, but looking into the company a little bit, I found it pretty cool that a stylist can actually get with you and learn a little bit about you, and then send you stuff that based on your characteristics. So I have no idea what's in here at all. I filled out the survey. Basically it's a survey they give you, and a stylist reach out to you and kind of get to know you, ask what it is that you like and what you don't like. You send in the profile and then they match it, and then they send you a box. You get the it's $20 for the styling fee, which is really cool, is that they apply it to whatever you keep. So once you look into the box, they'll give you a bunch of different items based on your profile, and whatever you keep, that $20 goes towards it. So I think it's pretty cool, especially for a guy who's trying to build his wardrobe and they really don't have an idea of the stores and shops that they like to that would complement their body. So I'm trying it out. Definitely want you guys, I'll let you know if it's something of value, which I already feel like it is. That's why I put the link in the description so you could try it out. I think there's also like a discount if you use the link. I'm not really sure, but gonna open this with you guys. Excited to share it with you guys. So let's go. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice. These are original Penguin boots, dress boots. Really nice, good quality, around what I was asking. These are nice, real nice. Comes in a nice bag. All right. Open this up. It's like Christmas, guys. All right, nice pair of denim from American Eagle. Looks like a slim fit pair. Really nice. Basic wash denim. Dark denim. Here's a nice pair of linen pants from Eventide. Slim fit linen pants. Never heard of this company. By the way, I'm also gonna try all this stuff on, see how it fits. You guys will be able to see in a second how everything fits and how it'll look and the different styles you can come with. Now the idea is for them to continue to send you stuff so that they get a feel for you and kind of help them understand more about you and your style type. So as you progress, the things you send back and the things you keep, your stylists keep in communication with you to match you perfectly. So right out the box, I already like the boots and the jeans. I'm not a linen person, but I definitely gonna try it out for you guys. Let's see what else we got. We got Flag and Anthem, a medium V-neck. It's like a salmon, dark salmon color. It's pretty nice. I guess it'll go with that. And then a button up from Hawker Rye. This is very thick, slim fit, very luxurious, very thick fabric. Yeah, nice pocket. So I'm gonna try all this on and see how it fits, and then you guys will let me know, and then we'll go from there. So all right guys, this is the first outfit. It's the American Eagle pants with the dress shirt. So far it's my favorite. I added the boots on it. What I would probably do is just add a belt and then tuck it in. So here's the final look of this outfit. So as you can see, it looks a lot better and it's more fitted to my body once you tuck it in. Now the second look, I just added the salmon shirt, threw on a hat, and kept the pants and the boots as the same. It's another look I like. The shirt is a little bit baggy, but it still works because it creates a nice contrast with the fitted jeans. So here's a look, a last look of this outfit. Like I said, it kept a nice stature. Now here's the linen pants. The linen pants were very comfortable, but they're still not something that I'm interested in wearing. You definitely need to get them tapered and tailored to your size. They're very baggy, although they was comfortable. Now I did, next shot right here, I added a linen shirt that I have in the closet. And like I said, it's something you just have to play with unless you're into linen. So guys, that's my Stitch Rich review. Definitely hit the link in the description. You do get $25 off your first purchase of the Stitch Fit program. If you like this video, definitely leave a comment, hit the like button if you want to see more reviews on unboxings that I do. If you're part of the JBaker Style family, hit the notification bell and you'll get tips whenever I put out new videos. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you next time.